The sky is a gathering place for clouds. At 6,740 meters above the sea level, the snow peaks are crowded by the golden sunrise. At an altitude of 5,596 meters, the southernmost glacier in China guards the oath of love. Snow of cangshan and the moon of Erhai keep touching and watching each other, telling about the exclusive romantic. Through the quiet and profound eyes of Yunnan, you can see the yearning for the sea. 3 rivers flow through the mountains to give birth to the source of Chinese blood. The wingding curve recalls the creation of man and nature together. The warm and moist rainforests are the cradle of life and also the last home. "26 ethnic groups have established their ancestral homes in Yunnan. Yunnan people put the love of life, weaving into clothing, painting into the totem, carving in utensils, in their own different ways. With thousands of years in inheritance, it is refined into the soul of national art. More than 400 ethnic hospitality, filled 365 days with happiness. In the south of the clouds, harmony between man and nature is a daily dance. Creativity across time and space is showing all the time.